Stop. Example, the driver had to stop the car at the red light. Tie. Example, she taught her younger brother how to tie his shoelaces. Sail. Example, they love to sail their boat on the lake during weekends. Knit. Example, my grandmother loves to knit scarves for us during winter. Bathe. Example, the dog enjoys bathing in the river on hot days. Dive. Example, he likes to dive off the high board at the pool. Stick. Example, please stick this note on the fridge so we don't forget. Share. Example, it's important to share your toys with others. Punch. Example, the boxer trained hard to improve his punch. Trip. Example, be careful not to trip over the toy left on the floor. Melt. Example, the ice cream began to melt in the hot sun. Peel. Example, can you peel the potatoes for dinner? Experiment. Example, the scientist loves to experiment with new chemical reactions. Count. Example, the teacher asked the students to count the number of apples. Tighten. Example, he had to tighten the screws on the loose chair. Thanks for watching.